If you want ChatGPT to stop hallucinating and start actually working, there is one command you are likely forgetting every single time. It's called the S.A.V.V.Y protocol. And if you can master this one framework, you stop being a user and you become an architect overnight. I know this works because I've tested it on thousands of prompts. Look at this. I gave the AI a perfect prompt: role, audience, format, the standard advice everyone tells you to use. And look at the result. Generic, boring, corporate fluff. Most people think the AI is stupid. The AI isn't stupid. You are just speaking the wrong language.
So, most people try to fix it by typing this: make it more engaging. And the AI says, absolutely, S.A.V.V.Y. Here's a scroll-stopping post. But look closer. Remote work isn't hard. Every notification feels urgent. It's just louder fluff, is the exact same advice. Do a 15-minute morning alignment, just wrapped in more emojis.
Why does this keep happening? Here is the hard truth. Role, audience, and format are just the sheet music, but you also need to tell the orchestra how to play. You need to be the conductor. Today, I'm not just giving you tips. I'm breaking down the 5-step psychological framework that forces the AI to think exactly how you want it to. We're going to take that garbage output and use S.A.V.V.Y to turn it into a viral masterpiece, step by step. First, scope answers the question, how big is the box I want the AI to play in? Originally, the box was too big, so it gave us generic advice.
Let's tighten the box. We tell it, limit the scope to exactly 3 unconventional tips that specifically address the Zoom fatigue problem. Focus only on mental energy management, not time management.
Look at the difference. Instead of manage your calendar, we get the 20-second visual reset, the silent minute rule. Switch to standing calls. Instantly, the fluff is gone. We have specific, actionable tactics. But it still sounds a bit like a textbook. That leads us to A, for attitude. This is the emotion, the personality, the vibe. If you don't define the attitude, the AI defaults to helpful assistant. We want to break that robot.
I'm adding this command. Adopt a slightly rebellious and refreshingly honest attitude, like someone who's tired of corporate BS. Be direct and a bit provocative.
Read that opening. Zoom fatigue isn't caused by too many meetings. It's caused by pretending to be a perfectly energized corporate robot on camera all day. And look at tip number 1. Turn off self-view seriously. You're not supposed to stare at your own face for 6 hours a day. Now the content has a pulse. It has an opinion.
Now we get strategic. The first V is for viewpoint. Who is speaking? Most people skip this, but watch what happens when we shift the speaker from a content creator to a specific person with a specific pain.
We command the AI, right from the viewpoint of a burned-out senior manager who just discovered these tactics last month and is genuinely shocked they weren't taught earlier.
Do you see the shift? After 12 years in management, I finally admitted it. The fixes I found last month were things no leadership training ever mentioned. It's not just tips anymore. It's a story. It creates empathy because we gave the AI a specific pair of eyes to see the world through.
Before I show you the next command, I want you to look at the text on the screen. It's good, right? But be honest, did you actually read it or did you just scan it? You scanned it. I know you did, because the sentences are all the same length. Your brain got bored. Now watch what happens when we use V for verbosity to hack the reader's attention span.
The second V is for verbosity. This controls the structure, the rhythm. Our current draft is good, but it's a little wordy. LinkedIn needs to be punchy. It needs to be scannable.
Let's tighten the screws. The command is, use extremely concise language. Every sentence must be under 12 words. No paragraphs longer than 3 sentences. Punch. Don't explain.
Look at the shape of the text now. Zoom wasn't exhausting me, pretending was. Turn off self-view. Staring at yourself is mental torture. Authenticity saves more energy than caffeine. Short, punchy, confident. We are controlling the rhythm of the reader's brain. Finally, Y is for yardstick. This is the most powerful command of all. You need to tell the AI how to grade its own homework. What does success look like?
Instead of just saying, make it good, we say the yardstick for success is stop scrolling power. The best version will make a burned-out professional stop mid-scroll, feel personally called out, and save the post.
Read this final masterpiece. I'm a senior manager. I hit Zoom burnout hard. Turns out the problem wasn't meetings, it was the performance. And look at this line. Stop monitoring yourself like security footage. That is a line that stops the scroll. That is the yardstick in action. Look at the difference. On the left, generic, boring, invisible. On the right, specific, emotional, punchy, viral. Same AI, same topic, different conductor. Now I know what you're thinking. Aura, I can't remember scope, attitude, viewpoint, verbosity, and yardstick every single time I open ChatGPT. You don't have to. To make this effortless, I built the S.A.V.V.Y prompt builder. It is a free, interactive tool that walks you step by step through these 5 commands. You don't have to memorize the definitions. You just fill in the blanks, and it generates the perfect orchestral instructions for you. The link is right at the top of the description. Grab it, bookmark it, and never write a bad prompt again. And if you want to skip the building phase and just get the 30 master prompts I use to run my business, the ones that are already pre-built and battle-tested, I have a special invite for you inside the builder. But start with the free tool. It's a game changer. The era of guessing is over. I'll see you on the inside.